So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of hiring consultants in your agency. So over the last 3.5 years, we've grown to be kind of a team of 30 people, kind of and working with a lot of enterprises like Upwork, Clara, Notable Health, Checkout.com, and many other. And like with such a young team, everybody's always amazed. How are you able to provide that good of a service with a team that is maybe that young? I mean, kind of we technically have a lot of experience, but we're really a young team. I mean, everybody's under 30 or whatever. But the most important thing in how we were able to do so is hiring consultants. So I'm gonna be going over in short tips in kind of what type of consultants you can actually hire for your agency or give them equity actually in your agency in order to grow faster, better, and smarter, and avoid a lot of mistakes you can actually make if you don't have any consultants in the agency. So the first consultant I went ahead and found, like I would say it's more of a mentor slash consultant, like and for all of the people that I'm gonna be saying right now, they're mentors slash consultants. So I went ahead and kind of partnered up with a friend that has an agency that is a lot bigger than mine. And that actually helped me go ahead and scale a lot faster and avoid a lot of the problems that I might have encountered along the way, like with cash flow, with culture, with a company, and many others that zero courses or anything like that online is going to teach you. I mean, I would say that I learned 10 times more from the consultants and people in the industry or similar than from anybody's course and whatever. I've bought courses that are 10k USD plus whatever, and I never actually learned the same. Then like the same amount of kind of knowledge and kind of things that I can actually implement in the agency as from my consultants. So I would say like the moment you start your business, you start your agency, marketing agency or Webflow agency or whatever, you can go ahead and find somebody that has done it already and is like doing it like 10 times better and like at 10 times the level you want to do it at. Like if you want to have 50 members of your agency, don't go ahead and like kind of maybe find somebody that has 50, find somebody that has 100, and definitely don't find somebody that is selling a course and is having only 3 employees. They don't know all the problems you can actually encounter in scaling the team to like a bigger number or kind of a lot more team members, of like the cash flow problems you might encounter, client problems you might encounter, and kind of all of the additional positions they're going to be recommending you, like a finance manager, a customer success manager, even a project manager was something I never thought of hiring like until I was scaling. And without kind of tips from kind of my mentor or whatever, I would never kind of be at the moment where I am, like with the structure of the agency that we have kind of managers, we have the team, like kind of head of development, head of design, and all of that without the tips from somebody that has already done it. The next thing is actually finding consultants like in the things you feel like you're kind of a little bit weaker in. So at the moment we have an SEO consultant because we're doing only web development. We're not doing SEO at the moment. We might be opening another company for something like that in the future because we've done it so good kind of for us and for some of our clients kind of with our consultants that we're actually pretty confident with our SEO strategy at the moment. But we went ahead and found somebody that is top best, kind of working for top enterprises, getting them results, changing the way enterprises actually do SEO, and then hiring them on a monthly basis to coach us, to actually showcase how to do that kind of on a personal level kind of for us and then for some of our clients before we actually start offering that service to anybody else. And that way, even without failing a lot, we were able to have a great service from the start. We might be paying for the service a lot more than needed, or we are maybe even losing money when we are providing that service, but we're learning, our team is learning, and then with time, we're going to be able to kind of perform that much better. And then like next ideas are design consultants. I mean, web design or whatever, like it seems like it doesn't have a lot to it, but it has a lot of moving pieces. Specifically when you move to bigger B2B websites, funded startups and enterprises, there's a lot of moving pieces and a lot of things you need to take care of. I mean, also in like just the communication of how you showcase all of your designs and whatever to your clients. So like even like after a lot of courses, we found that having an in-house, consultant for our agency that is technically working a different job, having an outside opinion, like in a bigger agency maybe are working for 10 years in the design industry, actually providing us feedback and providing us ideas on how can we improve our design process, how can we improve all the things design related, is a thing that actually allowed me to kind of get away from the design in the agency, even though I love designing, and actually be confident that we're going to be doing a job that is going to be even 10 times better than if I was involved in on that front. So I would love to hear kind of maybe on what side consultants you're having kind of in your business or whatever, and kind of have you ever had a chance to actually find a consultant for your business, and what are your opinions in consultants versus courses? Because I feel like actually being in the trenches and getting feedback directly from somebody is much more valuable than sitting back and not being completely dedicated to the course and then like not knowing how to implement that, or not having anybody to relate to when a problem occurs when like the agency scales and maybe the person that is selling the course in the end doesn't actually have like a 50 agency business you want to have at the moment, so it's not going to be able to help you out on that front. But yeah, I mean on that side, I would love to hear more comments kind of on consultants down below, and looking forward to the next video. Bye bye.